Hi my Kaurs, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys one of the best home remedies to grow long hair fast. This remedy comes from an ancient Chinese village called Huanglu and is even recognized by the Guinness World Book of Records as the world's longest hair village. The Yao women in this village of Guangxi are known for their long, grayless and shiny hair. They grow their jet black hair up to 2.1 meters or 6.8 feet long and manage to keep it looking strong and healthy even when they're old. So what can their secret be? Is it a shampoo? Is it a conditioner? A serum? Not at all. It's fermented rice water. That's right, leftover rice water. For generations, the Yao women have been using the water they cook their rice in to wash their hair. Super simple to make, yet none of us do it. We just pour it into the sink with no knowledge of how powerful it is. The rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamin E. Washing your hair with this will make it shiny, strong, soft, and healthy. It is also known to heal scars and reduce fine lines and inflammation, leaving the skin with a healthy glow. So here's how we do it. Just take a cup of rice and put it into a bowl. Then add water to wash away all the dirt and impurities. You can use your hands to clean the rice inside the bowl as well. Then remove the water and add another cup of it. Here I added 2 but then removed half a cup as I don't want it to be too diluted. After that, cover the bowl and keep it like that for half an hour and stir occasionally. Then you can pour the rice water with rice into a jar and cover it with a lid. Now all you have to do is wait. Wait for 24 hours and keep it in room temperature. After 24 hours, take a saucepan and using a sieve bowl, pour the rice water. You can use the rice for cooking or you can also blend it and use it as a face mask. Once the rice water begins to boil, you can remove it from the stove and let it cool. After it has cooled down, take a spray bottle and using a cute little funnel, pour the rice water into it. This step is optional, but you can also add essential oils to this. I added 3 drops of lavender oil. This masks the pungent smell that the rice water has. And now this remedy is ready for application. As usual, comb through your hair to make sure it's detangled. Brush through all of it and divide it into 2 equal parts. Then tie up 1 part. Here I'm just tying it into a bun. Shake the bottle so that the rice water and essential oil are thoroughly mixed. Begin spraying the remedy from roots to the tip of your hair. Use your hairbrush to comb through and spread the remedy evenly. Here I'm using my favorite Tangle Teaser. This is a godsend product for my hair. Spray all over your hair and once done, you can open the other side and repeat. After that, you can just remove the cap of the bottle and pour the rice water on your hands and apply it to your scalp. You really have to drench your scalp with this. Then start a timer for 5 minutes and massage your scalp. This will increase blood flow to your hair follicles and strengthen the roots. It will also help you relax and reduce feelings of stress. If you are going through hair loss, doing this every day, morning and night for 5 minutes will drastically improve hair growth. You don't need to apply anything to your scalp, just for 5 minutes massage morning and night. Once you're done massaging, you can go ahead and tie your hair. Keep a timer for 20 minutes and then wash your hair as usual. that's it, you guys. You can effortlessly achieve long hair just like me. When you do this DIY, do it with faith. Be positive and stress less. When you stress, your cortisol level increases, which is why you end up losing hair. Meditate for 10 minutes, exercise, drink lots of water and eat well. Do this remedy every time you wash your hair. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care and see you guys next time.